guys, just going to give you a quick update here. Got back in North Dakota yesterday. It was about 60 degrees, and today we are in a blizzard situation. I'll show you down the street here. It's supposed to be blizzarding here for another 2 days. So hopefully it stops so we can get the roof done on the house, so we can get the house rented out, so we can have some income coming in for when we're traveling in the van. But it's just kind of crazy how we can be down south there and they already got their spring going on and all the trees and stuff are blossoming, and we get back here in North Dakota and we got a blizzard conditions going on. So a few more weeks of winter here in North Dakota, it looks like. But just giving you guys a quick update. Van looks cold as hell. But talk to you guys later. Bye.